Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Samsung Galaxy A05s. And first one will be on how to translate anything from one language to another. Your phone will also speak out loudly this translation. It goes like this: Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, moving on to the next one will be on how to count calories. Hey Google, count calories in a burger.
Here is information from Fat Secret.
Next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you can't identify where it is. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm here.
Your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on how to make calls. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one will be on how to send messages. You can also say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.